Hello, you are welcome on this channel, Samshare Skills TV. We are going to learn about how to create your Google account in just few minutes. Let's see how. Google Chrome and type Google sign up. And then create your Google account. Yes, here. You see this panel. You are required to type your first name, last name, username. Let us type. First name. This is first name, last name, and here you choose what username you want to your Google account. For example, I can type this is the username I request to Google. If it is available, I can get it, and if it's not available, they can suggest here other username I can choose. So I come here for password. I type yes and confirm my password. They suggest to use 8 or more characters with a mix of letters, number, and symbols. Then I come here to next step. Because my password is not stronger, they suggest me to choose a stronger password and try a mix of letters, number, and symbols. I can try to type a stronger password. Yes. Remember to type a password you will not forget and not easy for everyone to hack. Next. You see, I type a strong password, that's why I go to next. Verify your phone number. For your security, Google wants to make sure it's really you. Google will send a text message with a 6-digit verification code. And next. You see this box. You are required to enter a phone number you are using in order to get that verification code. See me, I type my phone number and I go to next step. In this box, I got verification code. I'm going to enter my verification code 3 6 6 8 7 3. Then verify. After verifying my number, I come here. You see, this is not difficult, it is very easy. And remember to subscribe if you didn't make it. Subscribe to this channel, Samshare Skills TV, for getting more videos. Yeah, let us continue. Next, get more from your number. If you like, you can add your phone number to your account for use across Google service. For example, your number will be used to see video calls, message, make Google service including ads more relevant to you. More option. Yeah, here you can go back, you can skip this, or you can say yes, I mean. Yeah. For good, you say I mean. This is privacy and terms. Easily you come here and tap here I agree. Yes, yeah. You see, wow, my Google account already created. This is my email. Yes, easily. This is how you can create your Google account. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Yeah, let me know in the comment box how you take this, and if you have an advice, suggestions, you can comment. Thank you.